Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to unleash your inner time traveler? Today's AI Art Prompt Monster Challenge is all about generating images that transport us through history. We're not using a DeLorean for this trip, but the incredible power of AI art prompts. Get ready to create stunning visuals that will take us to iconic era where we will create image like this. This is going to be a blast from the past. The challenge, capturing the essence of era. As you know, creating compelling visuals often involves understanding the context. Today, we'll be focusing on capturing the essence of Victorian era through our AI art prompts. Step 1. Understanding the Victorian era. Let's brainstorm. What visual elements scream Victorian to you? Think architecture, fashion, atmosphere. In architecture space you can see grand townhouses, imagine tall, symmetrical buildings with red brick facades, wrought iron railings, and decorative doorways. Horse-drawn carriages, these were a common mode of transportation during the Victorian era. From the fashion aspect, formal attire, for men, top hats, tailcoats, vests, and walking canes. High collars and cuffs, both men and women often wore clothing with high collars and starched cuffs. Monochromatic color palettes, browns, blacks, and grays were popular colors for Victorian clothing. From the atmosphere perspective, refined and sophisticated, the Victorians valued propriety and decorum. Dark and mysterious, gas lamps provided a soft, flickering light, creating a somewhat shadowy atmosphere. Step 2. Deconstructing the prompt. Let's build. Now we understand the concept of Victorian era. Let's jump into the text editor to write prompt before putting into Midjourney. Now, let's turn those ideas into an AI art prompt. First, let's craft the atmosphere. How can we use words to convey Victorian refinement? Hyper-realistic daguerreotype portrait, formal pose. Next, details. What makes this a Victorian scene? Cane, horse-drawn carriages. Don't forget the technical side. We want a high-resolution image, so let's add the aspect ratio, AR 16:9. Now that we have these fantastic prompts, it's time to unleash the AI art magic. Head over to your favorite AI art tool and see what masterpieces you can create. We are into the Midjourney Discord, and here let's paste the prompt with Imagine command which we have crafted, and send for image creation. It started the image creation process. Let's wait for image creation completion, and you will see that it has created the Victorian era image. This is how you can generate any kind of time-related images. So now you understand the concept to build the prompt for time-related image. I am going to give another challenge. Let's look into it. Your mission. This assignment challenges you to create an AI-generated image that captures the essence of a mid-century modern living room through a well-crafted prompt. Imagine stepping into a spread straight out of a 1960s magazine. The scene. Style, hyper-realistic photograph. Setting, a sleek and stylish living room bathed in warm afternoon sunlight streaming through a large picture window. The people. A woman in a chic outfit relaxing on a modern lounge chair, reading a magazine. A man in a casual shirt admiring a record album cover. Details to consider. Iconic 1960s furniture. Houseplants and stylish planters. Overall mood, chic, minimalist, with a touch of vintage warmth. Technical specifications. Aspect ratio, AR 16:9, widescreen format. Resolution, S1000, for a high-quality image. Crafting your prompt. Use the provided information and your creativity to build a detailed prompt. Consider these points. Setting the stage. Use descriptive words to capture the mid-century modern aesthetic, clean lines, minimalist design, warm tones. Furnishing the room, mention specific furniture pieces iconic of the 1960s era, Eames lounge chair, chrome coffee table, etc. Adding depth with details, describe the magazine's record album, houseplants, and characters' clothing for a more vivid scene. Technical specifications, include the aspect ratio and desired resolution in your prompt. Bonus tip: research mid-century modern furniture and magazine layouts for inspiration. Challenge accepted? Once you have a finalized prompt, head over to your preferred AI art tool and bring your creation to life. Remember, share your final image on social media using hashtag #AIArtPromptMonsterChallenge. Feel free to experiment with different details and furniture styles within the mid-century modern theme. Your artistic vision is encouraged. Have fun creating.